Hey there, automotive enthusiasts. Welcome back to Weekly Tools. Today, we're diving into the world of diagnostics with a detailed review of the MUCAR VO6 OBD2 Scanner scan tool. If you're serious about keeping your ride in top shape, this is one tool you don't want to miss. Let's get started. If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, we've included a link in the video description below. First impressions matter, right? The MUCAR VO6 doesn't disappoint in that department. The packaging is sleek, and inside, you'll find the scanner, a user manual, and the necessary connecting cables. Now, let's talk about build quality. The VO6 feels sturdy and well-built, with a sleek, ergonomic design that's comfortable to hold. The buttons are tactile and responsive, and the 5-inch touchscreen is bright and clear, even in direct sunlight. The sturdy build instills confidence that this tool can handle the demands of both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. Setting up the MUCAR VO6 is a breeze. The OBD2 interface ensures a plug-and-play experience. Simply connect the tool to your vehicle's onboard computer, and you're good to go. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, you'll appreciate the simplicity of the setup process. Features and functionality. This isn't your average OBD2 scanner. The VO6 boasts a whopping 28 special functions, including OL level all systems diagnostics, scan all major car systems, from engine and transmission to ABS and airbags, and get detailed diagnostic reports. 28 reset functions, perform service resets like oil light clear, throttle adaptation, and injector coating, saving you time and money at the mechanic. Bi-directional control, send commands to your car's systems, like activating components or performing tests for deeper troubleshooting. Auto-out for FCA-CGW, bypass security gateways on Fiat Chrysler automobiles for even more diagnostic power. Lifetime free updates, stay ahead of the curve with regular software updates that add new features and vehicle compatibility. Performance and ease of use. The VO6 is impressively fast and efficient. Scans are quick and accurate, and the software interface is intuitive and user-friendly, even for beginners. The built-in DTC lookup library and repair tips provide valuable guidance for interpreting trouble codes and fixing problems yourself. Here are some pros and cons about MUCAR VO6. Pros: lifetime free updates, user-friendly interface, fast and efficient, portable and compact. Cons: certain features require the MUCAR app. The MUCAR VO6 OBD2 scanner is a powerful and versatile tool that goes beyond basic code reading. Its extensive functionality, OL-level diagnostics, and bi-directional control make it a valuable asset for professional mechanics and serious skiers alike. While the price tag might be higher than some basic scanners, the lifetime free updates and feature-packed software make it a worthwhile investment in the long run. Wrapping up our review of the MUCAR VO6 OBD2 Scanner scan tool, it's clear that this is a reliable companion for anyone serious about vehicle maintenance. It's well built, easy to use, and packed with features that make it a standout in its class. We highly recommend the MUCAR VO6 for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. So, if you're looking to up your diagnostic game, this might just be the tool for you. If you have any questions or if you've used this OBD2 scanner yourself, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Weekly Tools for more automotive content, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Until next time, drive safe and happy diagnosing!